हेलो दोस्तों। आज का निफ्टी रिव्यू करते हैं। सो इफ़ यू सी एक्चुअली टुडे also it took the support of 13 days moving average low. See, I have put the 13 days moving average low over here. Today also Nifty, as I told you in the initial hours, in the 15-minute chart, if you see, today also Nifty, what it does. uh, okay, let me remove all these things. So I was doing some analysis. So today, if I told you correctly today that market Nifty trend I have given you for today. So if you see, today also Nifty went up, then it is come down, then it was sideways. Actually, see here it took the support, and again it was up, again it breaks. So this is actually okay. Again it breaks, and it went up after 1140 little bit. It went up, and after 150 it again fall down. Okay, 145, see 145 it again fall down, and it was totally fully sideways. सो निफ्टी ट्रेंड वाज गिवन टू यू। मैंने आपको ट्रेंड निफ्टी का दे दिया था और बोला था कि 80% टाइम इट वर्क्स। एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट seen my video, please go ahead and see that video if it is working or not. So if you see, after 150 Nifty fall down from here to here, so it was 15,600 points to 15,540. So after 150 it went down, and it was 15,600 to 15,538 points. And then Nifty future also, if you see, the same thing would have happened. It is not like that. It is not the same thing would have happened. See, I will open it, and you go through my trend. If you are any doubt, then you can let me know how to play it, or how to take the trade. So initial hour it went up, and it was again sideways to down only, sideways to negative, and as I told you, and again it went up. Okay, and again after 150 it fell down. I have told you, check, because after 150 the trend that was, I was not correct actually. So I told you it can go either side actually, and it will go either up or down. Just check the 21 day moving average in the 15-minute chart. If it is below, then you take the trade, or with the candlesticks also we can take the trade. Okay, so so this was correct. So this was correct, and this trend was also correct, but this was, I am not sure about this. So I told that you check the price action before taking any trade. See, this has not been crossed. See that this has not been crossed, so it went down. It means that after 150 it would be coming down only. So that was how it was, means how it was being played. So this was it. So now I'll tell you, if before Nifty goes up, it will make some correction also, because but that correction would not come so much. So what I'm feeling that 15,800 is on the card. So here, if you see, if you check the parallel channel line, if it is not, you have to put over here. Okay, and so where it is coming, it is 15,800. So this channel line is going to touch, okay, 15,800. So this one, and this whole move is having one resistance. If you want to find it out, so to find it out, what you have to do, so put this parallel channel line over here. Okay, and if you see, this one actually it should be from the 2, and sorry, this one will be 1, This one will be from the this channel line, this one, this one, and this one it should touch. Okay, and this one it is touching. And now if you see here, I will make it in different color. So if you see here, so it is coming to this point. So 15,900 to 800 will be the one of the resistance from where it will take some short term pause. Okay, some short term pause before it break out from this channel line. Before it break out from this channel line, so it will take one little pause over here, 15,900 to 800 zone. So from here, and this one is a support. This one is a support. If tomorrow also Nifty comes down, 13 days moving average, you can put 13 days moving average low. See, so if it is coming down with the 13 days moving average low, if it is coming down, it is not you can find the support from here. So this support has been taken from 13 days moving average low. This is the support. So this support, you will find the support from here in this 15,374. As long as it is 15,000 above 15,374, Nifty is heading towards 15,800. 15,374 would be your stop loss for any long, because from below that if you see below that, it can break, it can touch over here. So this is another trend line support. So if this trend line is going to break, then again we will fall down. So and then again this will be a one ABC type of correction, and which will be once the trend is down, then you can take the short trade. But now the trend is not down, so short trade is not feasible. So 15,800 would be the one of the target, 15,800, 900, where it can take the support, where it can make the fifth move can be completed, and from there one ABC correction will become, and then again 2.618% of this move it will be going. Because this whole move, this one, actually this one is the first move, and this is second move is done, and this from here it has given the breakout. So if you see, this move itself will be 16,800. okay, so Nifty is not going to come down. It is not now in the bear trend. Please be aware of that. And it is in the long trade. So one of the short term support is 15,374, and tomorrow also some little bit of zigzag is there, and that doesn't mean that you will go ahead and take the short trade, because Thursday it may again bounce. Okay, and Friday, if it is going to bounce, it will, I think this time it will touch 15,800, and Friday I think some little bit of correction will be there. But Friday also, if the correction is there, Monday it is up. So like that, Nifty is going to make. So be on the long trade, and support is this 15,374. If it is tomorrow, if it is below this trend line, then only you take a short trade, but you exit before it is coming to 15,374, because here, from here support can come. Okay, that is the intraday trade, that for the intraday. If it is coming below this trend, this 13 days moving average low, you can take the short trade by keeping the stop loss over 15,616 or 15,640, and your target will be 15,374, where it can take the support, and again Nifty can move. Because why I am telling, because this is 23.6% retracement actually of the second move. If you see, this is exactly 23.6% of retracement, 15,365. so this is where it can take a support. This is where it can, and below it if it is coming, then 15,184 would be the one of the support. Okay, then if because this trend line, see exactly the Fibonacci retracement is working over here in the Elliott wave. So in the with the trend line and the Fibonacci retracement is working over here. So 23.6% is the 15,365 is the first support, and second support is 15,185. If it is coming down, if it is not coming down, if it is not breaking this, don't take any short trade. Be on the long side. So we'll be soon we'll be see 15,800 to 900 as the one of the target, and from where we can see some resistance. So that's it, guys. So be cautious, because any selling is going to be buying out. So there is always a buying opportunity rather than be shorting opportunity, because in this type of market everything will be in a wave. So in this so if it is in a wave, so now if the buying opportunity, it will automatically, when anything come down, so it will be getting buying out. So be on the buying side rather than on the selling side. Okay, that's it guys. So target will be remain 15,800 to 900.